Hello everyone. Today, viewers are invited to discover a truly unique community, one that stands out from the crowd. This video explores what it's like to be an INFJ, the rarest Myers-Briggs personality type, making up less than 2% of the world's population. That's right. INFJs are basically the unicorns of the personality world. Have you ever noticed that INFJs often scroll through their feeds and wonder why everyone seems obsessed with the latest trends, while they just can't relate? INFJs tend to crave deeper conversations, search for meaning in everyday life, and value authentic connections over surface-level interactions. In this video, 6 massive trends will be broken down. Trends that just don't resonate with INFJs. These are the things that can make INFJs feel like outsiders, even when surrounded by others. So for anyone who has ever felt like a lone wolf navigating a world full of trends that don't quite fit, this is the right place. Let's dive in and discover what makes INFJs so wonderfully different. First up, viral TikTok dances. They're everywhere, filling social feeds with catchy music and perfectly synchronized moves. It seems like everyone's eager to jump in, learn the steps, and show off their best routines for the world to see. While most people are nailing the moves, INFJs are usually on the sidelines, quietly observing, perhaps analyzing the lyrics or the meaning behind the dance instead of actually joining in. While others are busy memorizing choreography, INFJ personalities are often lost in thought, wondering what inspired the trend in the first place. It's not that INFJs don't appreciate the fun or the creativity, but performing for an audience, even if it's just a phone, often feels a bit unnatural to them. The idea of recording themselves and sharing it online can be more intimidating than exciting for those with the INFJ type. INFJs crave authenticity, not choreography. They'd rather express themselves in their own unique way, whether that's through writing, art, or simply enjoying the music in solitude. By the time INFJs have overthought every move, analyzed every beat, and considered every possible outcome, the trend is already over and everyone's moved on to the next big thing. So while others are grooving and going viral, INFJs are quietly observing from the background and just maybe doing a tiny awkward shoulder shimmy when no one's watching, just for themselves. INFJs will always cheer others on and support their moves, but please don't make them join in. They're happiest being the biggest fans from the sidelines. Next, oversharing on social media. The world loves radical transparency, but INFJs guard their inner world like a secret garden. For INFJs, sharing every detail online feels inauthentic. They'd rather have a deep conversation with one trusted friend than broadcast their lives. While others build their brand, INFJs are often journaling or plotting out a novel. Oversharing, INFJs will leave that to the experts. Trend 3, big, loud group hangouts, the kind of social scene where the music is thumping, laughter bounces off the walls, and everyone seems to be having the time of their lives. For many, this is the ultimate way to socialize, a chance to let loose and be part of the crowd. But for INFJs, it's a different story. It can feel completely overwhelming, even exhausting. INFJs crave deep, meaningful, one-on-one conversations, the kind where they can really connect, share ideas, and feel understood. They don't enjoy shouting over pounding music or trying to be heard in a sea of voices at a crowded party. In those chaotic settings, INFJs tend to fade into the background, quietly observing rather than participating, often feeling more like outsiders than guests. They might seek out a quiet corner, or even bond with the dog instead of mingling with the crowd. It's not rudeness. It's just how INFJs cope and recharge. So if you want to truly connect with an INFJ, skip the big party invite. Instead, invite them for coffee, a long walk, or a cozy chat in a peaceful setting. That's where INFJs really shine and open up. That's when you'll get to see the real INFJ, thoughtful, genuine, and ready for a true connection. Promise. Minimalism, stark white walls, 5 beige shirts, and 0 clutter. It might sound peaceful to many, but for INFJs, it often feels soulless. What some call clutter, INFJs see as a collection of memories, stories, and meaning. Every object has a purpose: a chipped mug, a stack of books, a quirky trinket. For INFJs, homes are sanctuaries, not showrooms. They find peace in cozy chaos, not emptiness. For INFJs, more isn't just more, it's meaning. Hustle culture, always grinding, always busy. For INFJs, it's exhausting. INFJs are ambitious, but they need purpose, not just productivity. Working for the sake of working drains INFJs. They want their efforts to matter. Reflection, creativity, and connection fuel INFJs, not endless to-do lists. INFJs would rather build a meaningful life than just a stacked resume. For INFJs, it's always purpose over hustle. Reality TV, supposed to be mindless fun, right? Not for INFJs. INFJs can't turn off their brains. They analyze every motive, every edit, every dynamic. Instead of relaxing, INFJs are decoding attachment styles and hidden narratives. For them, it's less a guilty pleasure and more a psychological case study. While others laugh at the drama, INFJs are deep in analysis mode. They might watch, but never just for fun. There you have it. 6 trends that INFJs just don't vibe with. It's not about judging, it's about celebrating what makes each personality type unique. Now, the question goes to everyone. What's a popular trend that you just can't get behind? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join this community of deep thinkers. Stay true to yourself and see you next time.